Mummy's house. Pick her up, do painting. Oosh, bit of rocket fuel for tonight. Let's have it, Sam. There we are, Sam. Final prep look. A few more of these units to do. Then we're sticking them on, copper knob on. Copper knob on. And we're sorted. Get this in here and there. Look at me like fucking Van Gogh. Look at it. Van Gogh. Who's he? It's Dan Goff now. Mum had at it, look, painting it now. We've given up on wallpapering because none of us can do it. Cousin Ryan here, look, tore it house. Nearly there, look. A few cupboards missing, I'm just prepping them, painting them. Then yes, I think we're going to get wood floor all the way through here. Yeah, all the way through. Like a lightly coloured wood floor. Yeah. Obviously, paper on that wall. Up the stairs we go. This is where I go for a Douglas. Woo! Right on there.
Look at that.
Get this! Grafting. Wallpaper, no more. See how this is. Tea thanks to my mother. What we got? What is it? It's like Christmas. What? Type potato?
Yeah.
Whoa, cheese and tuna. Now let's enjoy it, eat it. And back to graft. Lovely warm my mum's just done, look at it. Base coat of grey, because we give up on wallpaper. I can't do it, Captain! I can't do it! This is what happens when you got one pair of hands. Grafting. All night, all day. We graft, paint, paint, paint. And that is all I've done. All day. All bloody day. But this just goes to show. Miss a bit. Yeah, that's alright. That's it. How we looking? Fantastic. Eh? Cut that, cut that in, cut that in, cut that in. Look. Ooh. Yep. Fantastic. Whew. Slip it in. There we are. Cutting in, look. Aye, it's fine, see that? Right, you'll learn something if you watch these. But yeah, I must admit, painting is an absolute drain. It's taking so long, but that's why now it doesn't look like now it's been done. Because you've got to keep, you've got coat after coat after coat. But that's what you get for being a tight. You know, I'm buying Wilco's Home. Or whatever it is. What is it?
Johnson's.
Johnson's?
Yeah.
Johnson! Sandhood! Yeah.
Some of these bad boys, if your dog knows that, wake them up. Test their sense of smell.
Anyone ever gambled on a fart and lost? Or was it just me? Because I need to go change these Calvins. They were white, now they're black. Another day, another dollar, as they say. But it is now bedtime. We've done it. We've given me a good little lick of paint. She's heavy. yeah, that's it. Until tomorrow. Peace out.